I've got my brand new Inventor air conditioning unit and I'm going to show you how to set it up. So let's open the box. Here are the instructions. So we have batteries, a user's manual, energy rating certificate, and how to activate your warranty. So let's get the unit out of the box. Now this unit is quite heavy, but that's okay, they've thought of that. The box comes off. So in this box we have the heat discharge pipe, joint A, joint B, joint C, the remote control, the pipe clip, the pipe hoop, and the drainage pipe, which already has the other pipe hoop and the rubber plug attached to it, and the all-important screw. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is install the drainage pipe. To begin with, we remove the rubber plug from the drainage port and take the pipe clip and attach it to this screw hole here. Take the pipe hoop and fit it to the drainage pipe by squeezing the ends together and place it 2 or 3 inches down the drainage pipe. Then attach the drainage pipe to the drainage port and fix it in place with the pipe hoop. And then finally attach the drainage pipe to the pipe clip. Next we're going to assemble the heat discharge pipe. And to do that we need to unfold the ends like this. Take joint A and attach it to the heat discharge pipe by rotating it clockwise. Then repeat at the other end with joint B. Next we attach joint A to the back of the unit and the top of the joint is marked. Slide it down the grooves until you hear a click. Like that. Attach joint C to joint B by lining up the locating pole of joint B to the opening on joint C. And twist. And now we'll test the unit works by plugging it in and switching it on. The unit can be controlled either by remote control or the panel on the top of the unit. Most of the condensation water will evaporate, but occasionally you will need to drain the system. When this happens, a buzzer will sound and H8 will display on the top of the unit. To drain the system, drainage pipe from the pipe clip, remove the pipe hook, bring in a shallow bowl, remove the rubber plug, drain the system, replace the rubber plug, attach the pipe clip and secure it back into place on the unit with the pipe clip. And finally, your Inventor air conditioning unit is now ready to be installed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please visit our website, and I'll see you next time.